Okay, so I'm going to try this one more time. You can kind of see where I'm at in idling now. I'm in gear. So originally, it's got a setting here of from the factory. It was in 1P, 1R. Then I tried 1P, 2R, so you'll see what the RPM does and listen to the motor. There's no set button, you just have to wait 10 seconds, sorry. Obviously way too high. And then I tried 2P, 1R. That looks really close, so basically firing pattern is what they're saying. So I'm pretty happy with that, with where I'm running at. Does anyone know if that's the right setting or not? I'm going to rev it back up and see where we get to compared to where we were before. I'm trying not to kill myself here. Then I'll look up what it's supposed to rev at. Try to keep it in the center here. Do that again. Boy, as soon as it gets to the side, it runs out of water. Anybody? Is that correct?